How to YouTube land? It's Blake from StewMac, and we are excited to announce that starting Monday, October 19th, we are going to be doing a 4-part series live stream of how to build a mini guitar kit. This live stream is for anybody, whether you're a beginner or if you're an experienced builder. This could just be a really fun and functional thing to add to your bucket list. These mini guitars are actually pretty awesome, and they're not a kid's guitar like you might be thinking. It tunes exactly the same as another guitar, it's just 1 octave up. Truss rod right here. The hardware is full size, so you can put in your own if you want, change out the pickups, adjust the saddles. You can really make these things sound and play pretty great. So join me next week. We're going to be working through this beautiful instruction booklet that comes with the kit. We'll be doing an hour, maybe less, maybe more. And the cool thing is that since we're doing it live, you can submit questions and I'll try to answer them the best I can. And if you get a kit between then and now, you can work on yours live with me. When you order this kit from StewMac, it comes with all the hardware you're going to need. You don't need a fancy workshop. All you need are some tools that you probably already have laying around the house. And you could just do this in your kitchen. An electric hand drill, some drill bits, a wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver, a 12-inch straight edge and a 6-inch shop rule, a soldering iron, some razor files and a luthier's file, a center punch awl, a foam sanding block, and you'll need a jigsaw or a bandsaw if you want to customize the shape of the headstock. Don't worry if you've never soldered before. The switch and the pots come pre-wired, so we don't have to mess with that. The only thing we have to do is connect the pickups to the switch and the output jack to the pots. And it can sound scary or complicated for people who haven't done it, but we're working together, it'll be fine. Finally, you're gonna wanna stock up on a few supplies so this build goes nice and smooth for you. Some sandpaper of different grits, a Scotch-Brite pad or triple-aught steel wool, type-on wood glue and some naphtha, masking tape, a rubber band, and some rubber gloves. To finish this guitar, I'm gonna be using some grain filler and a little wipe-on poly and one of the MIDI color tone stains. I haven't quite decided which color yet, but if you have an opinion on what I should do, leave a comment below and I might listen. All of the items that we've talked about today are linked and listed in the description below, so if you need help, there you go. First episode, Monday, we are going to customize the peg head and prep the body, sand it up, grain fill it, and get everything ready for putting a finish on. So episode 2, Tuesday, is when we're gonna be putting the finish on the guitar. We're using wipe-on poly because of how easy it is and simple. Also, we're gonna be using colored tone stains to dye that poly. You can spray yours if you'd like, but we're not gonna be doing any spraying in this series. In episode 3, we're gonna be installing all the hardware, putting the shiny stuff on, attaching the neck, and soldering the pickups and the jack to the control plate. In episode 4, our final episode, I'm gonna show you how to set this thing up. We're gonna be adjusting the neck, setting our action, adjusting the pickup height, and intonation to get this thing playing as slick as possible. There's still plenty of time for you to order your StewMac mini guitar kit so you can have it in time to start building with me. Just a reminder, we're going live from our YouTube channel on October 19th. That's a Monday, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Put it on your calendars, write it on your hand, get it tattooed. We're super excited to have you guys join us on this little adventure. It should be a lot of fun. Tune in.